Do you avoid cooking on your Weber because it's still dirty from the last time you did a cook-up about 10 months ago? Do you struggle to find time to clean your Weber? Would you like some informative cleaning tips from a trained pitmaster? So if you answered yes to any of those questions, it's probably a good indication that you're a lazy prick and you probably need to do a little bit more around the house. But on a good note, I'm here to help. So join me on the next episode of LT All Up in Your Grill. Stop being a dirty dog and let's clean our Webers. Hey legends, so a lot of people have been asking me lately. So hey legends, welcome back to another installment. Hey legends, everyone's been asking me, how do I clean my Webers? Well, the simple answer is I just bloody don't. But if I did clean my Webers, this is how I'd do it. And I'm going to take you for a journey. A cleaning journey. Noise going on, a little bit of commotion here. It's COVID. Go home, chill out, relax. So look guys, there's a few critical steps that you need to do before you can actually clean the Weber. The first two steps are, you need one of these, and then the second step is you need to open the lid. Once we've got those two initial steps out, cracking open a beer and opening the lid, look, let's get into it. This is after a typical cook the other night. After a typical cook there, still got the briquettes in there. What I'll do is we'll take those briquettes out. I will keep them because I've got a couple more hours left of cooking there. I normally with briquettes like that, if they're not ashed fully out or whatnot, I'll keep them. Really the main things guys here, look, we want to clean everything, the inside and the out. Obviously the grill or the grate here, which you know you want to be making sure that that's clean there because that's your food, where you're cooking the food, you know, so you want to be making sure that's clean. We'll do a full inside clean of the bowl itself and outside. God, fucking hell, I don't really know the last time that I actually cleaned the Weber, you know. What do people want to clean their Webers for? What, people got too much fucking time on their hands, obviously. Bloody wombats.
Round one. Ready, go!
Okay guys, so I've got a couple of things here. Look, just straight up from Bunnings or, you know, your local general store or something like that, you know, just a couple of barbecue wipes here. With this here, depending on how dirty your Weber is, you dirty dogs, whether or not you use like a barbecue like degreaser or something like that, depending on how caked on it is, it's not really all that bad. So what I'm going to do is just mix up a little bit. I use vinegar and dishwashing liquid and a little bit of water just to mix that up, and it works absolutely great for cleaning the inside and outside of your Weber. What I like to do today, I'll just put it in a bucket and I'll do the inside and clean it out, but you can put it in a sprayer like this and spray it on the inside if you choose to. But that's what I'll do guys. Look, we'll get stuck into it. The main thing is guys, really, I see a lot of people clean one part but don't clean the others. So with the grate here, I'll clean the top and I'll clean the bottom as well, the inside and the outside. People miss that crucial step. It's kind of like that fella, you know, that fella you used to live with, that he wipes around the kitchen bench, wipes around the toaster, but underneath the toaster it's still got all the breadcrumbs and all the other shit. It's like the half job Harry. It's like cleaning your shaft but not cleaning the balls. Just a waste of fucking time. So look guys, we'll get into that and make sure we get it all cleaned. Okay, so let's get into it here. You can tell this one's quite well used here. I do a lot of barbecuing here. It kind of looks like cleaned out the inside of someone's colon with this. Some of the real stubborn parts that you can't get rid of, a little handy tip that I get, I just whack a bit of that on it. guys, so what I'll do now, I'm just going to spray a little bit of this just on the inside here and let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then I'll come back through with the dishwashing liquid and vinegar concoction that I have here and just give it a good scrub on the inside. You'll notice on the inside of your lid, you know, you get a bit of flaking, that sort of stuff. That's not the enamel coming away. That's just the smoke and stuff if you've been smoking in your Weber. So that'll come off quite easily. We'll do the same treatment as we're going to do on the inside of the lid as well. Bit of a spray, give it a good scrub down and she'll be right. I'll also use that mixture as well just to clean up the outside of the Weber, and after that's done, give it a good rinse out, a little bit of a wipe, and she should be good to go. Oh, you can get it clean in your Weber. Okay guys, so we've got everything all soaked up here, everything's all thinged up. All we'll do now is get the hose out, give it a good rinse out, wipe down, and she should be good to go.
I believe I can fly.
Yep, so there it is, guys. So there it is, guys. Nice and clean. Only thing left to do now is get a bit of sunlight, take the lid off, and just let it dry out in the sun a bit. You know, celebrate by cracking open a cold one. Fuck me dead. Can you open that for me? Can you open? Bruh. I make them so fucking hard these days. Yep. Thanks. Yeah. Cheers for that. But yeah, guys. But yeah. Look. Hopefully that helps. Look, the main thing to do, guys, just to maintain the cleanliness and, you know, maintain your Webers is after every cook that you do. I know you probably have a couple of, you know, you're having a big night with the fams and the crew and that sort of stuff. You just cooked up a massive feed, put the lid on and let it go. You've had a couple too many sherbets, you don't want to clean up the next day. Look, it's just super easy. Just make sure you get the briquettes out of there and just hit it with the hose. Just to wash out that inside of that. It just keeps the maintenance up. And you know, once in a blue moon, you give it a proper clean out. But so long as you hose it out after every cook or whatever, it'll keep it in top shape for when you're cooking. But yeah, guys, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. There's plenty more to come. But yeah, guys, look, keep the good feedback coming in. Really, really appreciate it. Thanks for sticking out and watching my shit. Really, really appreciate it. Yeah, if you like my episodes and stuff, share it with your friends, your fams, all that sort of stuff. Like and subscribe. Be kind to one another in these hard times. Look after yourself. Look after your friends and your family. Other than that, guys, don't be a dickhead. And until next time, I'll see you when your bum cracks.